Hello, my dear students. How are you? I hope all are good. Welcome back to another class. Today, let we start again chapter number 11, an inspiring story of Helen Keller. Helen Keller become deaf and blind, है ना? वो बहरी और अंधी थी, है ना? एज ऑफ 19 months old, 19 महीने की थी जब से वो अंधी और बहरी थी. कुछ चीजें देख नहीं सकती थी और सुन नहीं सकती थी, बट वो बोल सकती. ठीक है, अब आइए देखते हैं उनके बारे में क्या स्टोरी है. Helen Keller was born in 1880 in Tuscumbia, Alabama, to Arthur and Kate Keller. Arthur owned a cotton plantation and later worked for a newspaper, while Kate raised the family on their farm. When Helen was 18 months old, she became very sick with fever. She survived but lost her sight and hearing. It was difficult for Helen to communicate with others. In her frustration, she would often throw tantrums, kicking and screaming. है ना? वो जो है 19 महीने की, तब से उसकी कुछ ऐसी बीमारी होगी कि इसको कि उसे सुन नहीं पाती थी वो और देख नहीं पाती थी, और अपनी इस की वजह से वो इतनी फ्रस्ट्रेट रहती थी. वो बहुत परेशान और बहुत ही चिल्लाना, झगड़ा करना और ऐसी चीजें वो करती. Helen loved the farm animals and playing with her younger siblings, Mildred and Philip, but her parents were desperate to ease her sense of isolation. So they were introduced to Alexander Graham Bell, who was working with deaf children at the time. The Packens Institute for the Blind sent a recent graduate, Annis Sullivan, to work with Helen at home. Annie went blind as a child, although surgery restored some of her sight. This loving and determined teacher became Helen's helper and a friend for almost 50 years. Annie began teaching Helen words using a type of finger spelling. She would give Helen an object and pass the letter into her brother hand, है ना? तो वो जो है उसको जो अंधे लोगों के लिए होता है ना, उभरे हुए जो वर्ड्स होते हैं, अल्फाबेट्स होते हैं, उनसे जो है जो अंधे बच्चे होते हैं उनको पढ़ाई सिखाई जाती. ठीक है. Helen repeated the gestures back to Annie but did not understand their meaning. Then one day Annie used running water and spilled water. Suddenly Helen understood. She touched the ground, requesting its letter name too, and by the end of the day had learned 30 words. By the age of 10, Helen could read Braille and use a typewriter. She was desperate to talk, so Annie sought the help of another specialist, Sarah Fuller. Taught Helen to touch other people's throats and mouth as they spoke, to feel the movements and sound vibrations. She began learning letters, sounds, words, and sentences. Helen couldn't hear herself but was delighted to have a voice of her own. At a number of special schools, Helen even learned to read French, German, Greek, and Latin. During her time at college, Helen wrote an autobiography, The Story of My Life. उन्होंने एक ऑटोबायोग्राफी भी लिखी, है ना, अपनी लाइफ के ऊपर, which was translated into 50 languages. More books followed, including The World I Live in 1908. When Annie died in 1936, Polly Thompson, their long-serving secretary, took over as Helen's constant companion. After college, Helen spent many years raising awareness for people with disabilities. In 1920, she co-founded the American Civil Liberties Union, ACLU, and was also an advocate of women's rights. She raised money for disability charities, gave comfort to disabled soldiers in hospitals during the war, and traveled the world giving lectures on the rights of blind and deaf people. Helen suffered a series of strokes in 1961 and spent her last year at home in Connecticut. She died in her sleep, aged 87, at the end of a unique and truly remarkable life. है ना, हेलन केलर. और वो जो है पोम लिखती थी, राइटर थी, और बाहर जब वो निकलती थी, जो प्रकृति है उसके बीच में बैठकर झरने पानी को मतलब फील करती थी, पत्तियों को फील करती थी, फूलों को टच करके फील करती थी. और वो ये कहती थी कि जब मैं मतलब आंखों से मैं नहीं देख सकती, मुझे इतना सुंदर फील होता है कि प्रकृति इतनी सुंदर है, इतनी प्यारी है, तो सोचो जिनकी आंखें हैं उनको कितना अच्छा लगता होगा, वो कैसे इन चीजों को इग्नोर कर देते हैं, जिसमें कि मुझे बिना आंखों के होते हुए बहुत ही सुंदर जो है स्पर्श के द्वारा ही मुझे इतना अच्छा फील होता. ओके, So everyone, the chapter is in here. I hope you all are very well understand full chapter. So we will meet you the next class. Thank you everyone.